So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Yadav and I live in Varanasi. So, basically, I'm recording this video to improve my English, and I will record up to 30 days because I've seen many videos where many YouTuber, or you can say influencers, says that if you don't get the environment to speak with anyone, or you don't have friends with whom you can speak in English, because normally what happens when you start speaking with friends, they says like, oh Angrezi. So they says ki like you can record video. So I will record video up to 30 days just to check my English, and please ignore the noises if you are hearing, because currently I am in office and it's my lunch hour, and I have decided to, like, I don't get much time, so I have decided to record videos every day in lunch hour. You will hear these noises. So I know nobody will watch all my these videos, because it's none of their it's not a funny video or something content, so they not need to consume it, but just for me. Video is just for me. I'll check after 30 days that okay, it's helping me or not. And I don't know what to speak else. I have no topic. So okay, it's a first video, so let's start with the introduction. My name is Anjali, as I told you, and I live in Varanasi, and I'm 26-year-old, and I work as an accountant. And I want to switch into a business analyst role. So business analyst role require you mostly your communication skill, and for that I want to improve my English, and well, there's not much about me. I have not gained anything in my life which I should boast about, so I don't have much thing to share as well. Like, yeah, I can tell you, like, I'm an army bred. My father is retired from army, so my schooling is done basically from different cities, and I have studied in army school. Though my English is not that good, but yeah, I can speak, but not as fluent as the business analyst role requires. So I think I will, like, pick some content from tomorrow, a paragraph or something, a page of any topic and from any book, and then I will try to translate it in English and record it, and let's see what happen after 30 days, it is helping me or not. And if someone is watching my reel and if they can help me out at what I should speak and what I should record, and then please do help me, because I don't have any content basically, and I don't get time either to read books so that I can, like, rephrase into English. And if you're getting those noises, so please ignore it, because currently I'm in office and it's my lunch hour, so I decided to, like, utilize this lunch hour, and because I don't get time at home, because I get home at approx 7 o'clock, then I have dinner till 9 o'clock, and it's so like tiring day, or I don't get energy to get up from bed after going from office and record video. It becomes hectic. So I'm planning. Sorry for it. So I'm planning from few weeks that I should start recording video, but I was not able to. So today I finally recorded. I think I will carry on till 30 days. Today's 9 Feb, and this is my first video. So please help me out and give me a topic so I can speak on. And I think I should speak like 15 to 20 minutes, but I even decided to speak 15 to 20 minutes, but I don't have any topic now. I have given my introduction, what I do, and I don't have any achievements as such. Currently my goal is just to switch from accountant to business analyst, because I'm not getting that much pay which I'm expecting. It's just helping me out with my expenses, daily expenses. Not I can't save money with it, I can't invest anywhere. So I just want a high pay job role where I can save money for future and can do some investment. I have some like goals to buy something, basically every person has that. No, that's not a goal, but every person desire to have some basic things like car, bungalow and whatever. So I don't want that bungalow, but I want a home of my own, and yeah, I want a car obviously. And yeah, I do want a Royal Enfield bike. I want to drive it, so, but of my own. I don't want someone else to buy for me. That's it. I think that's it for today. Let me think what I can else tell you what I want. Yeah, I also have like what you call it when you are fond of something, fond of something, not found. Sorry, I'm fond of like watches. So I want to have like expensive watches in my wardrobe, and best thing, I also want to travel. Not I don't want to travel whole world. Like I don't have that fantasy or desire. I just want to explore India. It has so what do you like? It has all environment, all the things you found in other countries. At like if you go at any country, you only get either mountain, or somewhere you go at different country, then you only get beaches. But in India you get everything, like beaches, mountain, greenery, and dry area. So like basically I want to explore India, and from north to south, east to west, every can't say cities, but like I want to explore fully to the most I can explore. So basically for traveling I also want to switch my role, and accounting is not helping me to basically live my life as I want. And this is not the life I have ever imagined, earning so basic just to where you can fulfill fulfill all your day-to-day expenses, not your desires. So, yeah, that is why I want to switch into a different role. And I like if you'll ask me why I want to join as a business analyst. So as a normal person, I will say कि I don't have any very interest into business analyst. Basically, I don't have any interest in job roles. I always wanted to join army, Indian army. So I prepared for it, but at a point I came to know that I wear specs. So my classes has a higher power as it demanded in defense. It has minus 2.5 or something in as a power like eyesight required if you are wearing glasses, and my eyesight is minus 3.5. So I decided to quit it. As I have done commerce, so I didn't got much time so that I can like do laser surgery and then start preparing, because it need more attempts. People, those who are into maths or who are engineers, they start giving defense exams from like after 12th, but I got chances after graduation, and then after graduation I got chances, and after 1-2 attempts I came to know about my eyesight power. So I had no options except letting it go and switch into a role switch into a job role that I should do. So then I started doing accounting 1-2 year back. I think it's 2 years since I'm working as an accountant. Then I found it that like it's not helping me out, or it's not even fulfilling my desires. So I explored some courses which I can do. So there are mostly high paying courses which required you to be as an engineer, or to be within maths background, but I don't have both options. I didn't had done maths, nor I'm from engineering. Obviously, if I have not done maths, then I can't be an engineer. So earlier I saw a reel where it says you only required skill. It doesn't matter from which background you are. So I saw some reel for data analyst, but then I prepared some coding. It requires SQL and Python. Then I searched for some jobs on LinkedIn. Then I came to know that they say that you don't require to be a maths background or an engineer, but if you will go on LinkedIn on a job profile, you will get a specifically what it's called, preferred skill or preferred qualification. Basically, preferred qualification is BTech, CA, MTech and all. So that's the where I was getting yeah, it's not where I can switch into. People say that you required skill, but as I'm going to apply, it's asking for BTech, MTech and all. So then I explored more courses again, and as I have learned SQL and Python, basic Python, so I just came to know about business analyst. So now currently I am at key I'll go for business analyst, and I'm learning for it. And to be honest, I'm not learning actually. I plan a lot. I plan a lot of things, but I don't get time. I don't get time to practice or learn, and I get only Sunday as a off day. At that day I feel so lazy, and I feel let me rest, because I travel 15 to 20 kilometers one side. if I'll take both sides, coming and going at home, so it take me at least 40 kilometers, approx 40 kilometers daily traveling. So it make me exhausted, fully exhausted, tiring. So at Sunday I feel like let me rest, I can't do anything. So it's like my whole week goes like this. I'm not able to prepare anything, but finally from few weeks I'm planning to record videos, and now finally it's my first day where I'm recording. I hope I continue to the 30 days, up to 30 days. So let's see how it goes, and how it's helping me. I'm just thinking what I will speak next 30 days. Let's see. I'll see some topics. Let's see. Okay, thank you for the day, and if you are watching, then please let me know some topics on which I can speak. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you are watching, if you are not watching, though, it's for me, it's for my self improvement. Bye bye.